In order to find such a personality, our education must be based on moral and ethical values.
A very hearty good morning to one and all present here. Today, we the students of class 2nd C and 2nd D are going to present a special assembly on the topic honesty. So, let us start with the prayer song. So all of you join your hands and close your eyes.
Change my heart, oh God, make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God, may I be like you. Change my heart, oh God, make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God, may I be like you.
Honesty refers to truthfulness, faithfulness, sincerity, and confidence. An honest person can always be trusted under any circumstances. Benjamin Franklin had once famously given the proverb, "Honesty is the best policy." Honesty gives a man strength to face the world in difficult times. An honest person is always regarded as a role model in the society. If majority of our nation population is honest, then nothing can stop them from growth. Now we are going to present a small skit. So one day he called his sons. I am giving each of you one seed. After 6 months, I will see that whose plant is the best. The one who will have the most beautiful plant will be the next king. They went back and planted the seed and took the best care of the seeds. After 4 months, 2 brothers had beautiful plants in their pot with lovely flowers. The youngest brother's pot was plantless, although he cared for the plant in the best way. He saw his brother's plants and was very sad. He was worried that what would he show to his father. After 6 months, the king called all his sons to show their plants. "Look, father, how beautiful our plants are," said the sons who had flowers in the pot. "Where is your plant?" My pot is empty, my dear father. I am really sorry. I tried my best, but no plant grew in my pot." "No, you should not be sorry. The seeds I gave to you and your brothers were dead and useless. Your brothers lied to me. The plants they have are from other seeds. When they saw that their plants were not growing, they planted another seeds in their pots. But you are honest and you told me the truth. The best quality of The king is that he should be honest. So, my dear son, you are the successor of the throne. The moral of this skit is, it is better to be honest than to cheat, and that honesty will bring real rewards. So in this skit, we learned that honesty and truthfulness should be basis of one's life. The life lived with honesty will stand against all evils of the society. Honesty and truthfulness is the key principles of one's life. Now we are going to conclude our assembly with a beautiful dance. Exactly what you feel. There is a way to share our thoughts. Speak the truth and do it alone. Speak the truth. Be sincere, it is a must. Honest means earning trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. Someone asks you what to do. Have honesty and tell the truth. Honesty makes you feel great. So just be honest every day. Be sincere, it is a must. Honest means earning trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. There is a way to share our thoughts. Speak the truth and do it alone. Speak the truth. Be sincere, it is a must. Honest means earning trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel.
First of all, I would like to congratulate our second standard teachers, that is second C and second D teachers, Mrs. Minnie Saxena and Janshi Shoy Madam, with the help of Bharati Madam and Sir, and Shivaji Sir and Tithi Madam. How these classes, second C and second D classes, how nicely they presented the theme of, what was the theme? Honesty. Are you all honest people? Honest children? Yes or no? Yes. What was the moral of the story? They beautifully enacted on the stage. Can you say that? What is the moral of the story? Somebody came and present. Who said the moral of the story?
The moral of the skit is, it is better to be honest than to cheat, and that honesty will bring real rewards.
Okay. Honesty will be always rewarded. Understood that? That's very important thing. So honesty is the best policy. We used to hear that. Then what's the meaning of honesty? That's also they presented beautifully. If an honest person wants to be honest, he must learn to speak truth in life, moreover by being an honest person. Will develop the moral character, that means learn a good character, then maintain discipline, follow the rules and regulations, and will always punctual. Then we can say honesty is the best policy. An honest person is always fearless and courageous. If we say lie, that we are dare to speak. If we are speaking honest, that honest person is always courageous and fearless. डर नहीं लगता है. डर लगता है जब झूठ बोलने से डर लगता है ना? Yes. Yes or no? When we speak lies, then we feel fear and we become very helpless. So don't speak lie and always truthful. That. See, I was reading a book yesterday, Saint Chavara's teaching. It is written there. When they are grown up little, send them to school, inquire after their progress from time to time. Every Sunday monitor what they have studied. Do not train the children in a worldly habits of lying or cheating or playing tricks for the sake of expediency, telling them that it is the way of the world. When you find faults in them, reprove them and punish them. Develop in them a regard for truth and justice. Understood that? When our founder father Saint Chavara says that, develop them in a regard for truth and justice. And that means truthfulness. Are you able to follow the justice and truthfulness with your friends, with your parents? Yes or no? Yes or no? All of you look at here and listen properly. So try to become fearless and courageously say the truth with the parents, with the teachers, with the elders and with your classmates. So try to practice all this in your life and become a very good student. That is why you all are admitted in Carmel Death School. Yes, when you are telling truth, your parents will be very happy. Teachers also will be happy. So try to become a good citizen of our country. So on this occasion, I would like to say all of those who are here, give a thunderous clap for the teachers and all our smart children of second C and second D. May God bless you for all your efforts. Thank you.